Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check the courses in the 10% application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the courses button at the bottom of the page. And if you scroll down, then you will be able to find the different courses. And if you click on them, you can start with session 1. You can also read about the course. You can see who the teacher is. And you can see all the sessions. The videos are available if you're subscribed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.